Yun guys, pag-aralan ulit natin ang laws of exponent. Ito yung part 3 natin, yung pang 5 at pang 6 na rule. Power of power, power of product. Pag sinabing power of power, exponent ng exponent. That's a raised to m raised to n. Multiply lang natin yung exponent, a raised to m times n. In this case, ayan, 2 raised to 2. Multiply natin ng exponent niya pa na 5. That will give us 2 raised to 10. Power of product naman, a, b, raised to m, distribute lang natin yung exponent. Magiging exponent siya ni a, magiging exponent din siya ni b. Okay, so madali lang siya. Distributive property lang gagawin natin. In this case, halimbawa meron tayong 2x squared, labas ng parenthesis, distribute natin, magiging 2 squared, x squared, 2 squared is 4, then, kopyahin natin sa x squared for x squared. Subukan natin to. X squared raised to 3, that would be x raised to 6, 2 times 3 is 6, y, 4 times 3 is 12, plus x, distributive property, 6, y, 6 times 2, that's 12. Parehas sila, add lang natin. Dahil like terms yan, pwede natin i-add yung dalawa. 2, x raised to 6, y raised to 12.